Article Assistant. It's the exact same software I'm giving you for free. My customers love this software. They use it daily. I've got rave reviews about it, and I know you're going to love Article Assistant too once you install it and start using it. So anyway, let's close out of this. And this is Article Assistant. You can see the exact same software I just showed you 10 seconds ago within Content Composer. And also, I'm going to give you a copy of Content Composer. If you want to go ahead and get yourself on the front of the line pass list, I'll give you more details on how you'll get Content Composer, Article Announcer, all my best-selling content and traffic getting tools for free. So let's go ahead and show you how this thing works. The first thing you want to do is select how many websites you want to search using Article Assistant. Use 50, 100, 200, oh, go nuts. I would say use 50 in this example, and I can show you how it works. You want to put in a keyword or a key phrase, and also you want to use that keyword or key phrase as it appears within the context of a sentence. For example, scrapbooking is, scrapbooking can, about scrapbooking. You want to use combinations of words like that to get better results using the software. I'm not going to put any theme keywords here. I'm not going to put any exclude words. What I highly suggest you do is to get the actual user guide or the getting started guide, which you should have downloaded in the download area. If not, you can quite simply go over here and click on the help icon, download that PDF guide. It's very, very detailed step-by-step instructions. Also, it goes into much more detail about how to actually get better results with your content using Article Assistant, in the search engines, get more traffic, better rankings, and optimize your content, and how to take that content and use it a variety of different ways, which perhaps you've never thought possible. So I highly, highly recommend you go and get that getting started guide and go through it. It's only 15 pages or so. It'll take you probably about 5 minutes to go through it. So once you've done this, you can then select the type of engines, I guess, you want to use to find the content. You can use the search engines, search blogs, Wikipedia, or find answers. For example, what is scrapbooking, or what is RSS, for example. Those will give you specific answers based upon the questions you put in. So I'm just going to type or use all types. You can also choose to use the major article directories first, which is a great source of content, and you can apply a date filter if you want content that's only found in the past 24 hours, week, month, or what have you. I'm going to just leave it as it is and put any time. And once you've done that, go ahead, click the go button, and it'll work its magic here in the background. As you can see here, within 2 seconds, it's already showing you results that are being taken from the search engines based upon what I put in right over here. Scrapbooking is. I'm not going to let this go through the whole process because it could take a couple of minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this for now. And just to give you an idea on how this works, now what you simply do is you click on a sentence here. It shows you the entire sentence below here. And if you want to add that to your actual article, you can just go and click on the add button up here, or double click on the actual sentence here. See that? It comes right down at the bottom. And you can keep doing that as you find sentences that actually relate to whatever it is you're building an article about. You can easily go and change the order of these here, and you can also include the references. So it shows specifically where that article snippet or that sentence was found, and it'll reference that directly in the article. So when you go look at the article preview, it actually shows you under the article the specific references on where that content was taken. So you can easily crank out, blog content or content for a forum post or for one of your web pages by just using this function. Or you can go ahead and rewrite that using something like Content Composer, which is very powerful, or using any standard text editor. So I don't want to go into any more details here. What I suggest you do is download the software. As I said, go through the user guide, take a look at the process map that I've given you. That'll give you a real quick walkthrough of the software. And also, if you like what you see here and you want to find out about all the other content power tools that I use that I want to give you, be sure to put yourself on the front of the line pass list, and I'll give you more details before August 13th on what I've got for you. Thanks, everybody, and we'll talk to you again real soon. And I hope you enjoy Article Assistant.